David Ayala. I'm with Sunistics Group. I'm the project manager, and we're here installing a solar project at Chino, California. This is a 600 kilowatt system. I would say we're saving anywhere between a week to 2 weeks on a size 600 kilowatt job size. I'd say about a week or 2 weeks on the speed. It takes maybe about 5 seconds to install one attachment with the lag. And yeah, man, the quality of the work stays the same, and it's a lot quicker. We've been using QuickBOLT for about 12 months now. Yeah, I started out in a Jobsite in Long Beach. It's been working very good for us, actually. It speeds up the process of the installation, and it's been working perfect. The benefits that we've gotten out of the QuickBOLT is pretty much, it speeds up the process of the installation. So it's like a 1-2 step. You put the base, you drill the lag in, and pretty much that's it. So